So what's up everyone? Today I'll be explaining about the AP or auxiliary power unit on the aircraft. Aircraft need power when the engines are switched off, and the engines only start when the aircraft is being pushed back ready for taxi. The aircraft like Airbus A320 have a third engine sits in the aircraft tails. The aircraft need power when the engine are switched off, and the engine only start when the aircraft is being pushed back ready for taxi. This APU or auxiliary power unit doesn't exhaust gas or have any gas products. It generates energy through high pressure air that's converted into electric and energy. Half the world's aircraft have these things, called a pure auxiliary power unit. That's why it's one of the best auxiliary power units to know. There are three main models that comprise the APU. There are gas turbine engine, gas compressor, and generator. The gas turbine engine provides the energy for parts, compressor, and the generator. Just like the turbofan engine, it uses a central shaft to distribute the turbine power. That's it. The turbine turns out 600 horsepower at 48,800 rpm equivalent. The compressor stage is used for energy for the system on the aircraft, and the generator drives electrical components. The AP, our auxiliary power unit, uses axial flow power from the turbine to create centrifugal power by compressing the air from the compressor, which then deducted off. The shaft turns the generator to create electric power via a gearbox. Air for the engine enters through a screenlet inlet door via the fuselage skin under the tail, and exhaust from the engine is poured out on exhaust in the tail. The inlet door is closed when the AP is not used. When you are boarding or awaiting takeoff, you will notice what sounds like an engine running on the aircraft. That's the main engines. That's the APU or auxiliary power unit. There's a set of there, but it's still loud. Also, on all the aircraft, when you push back from the gate, you will notice a brief few seconds when the power seems to flicker and the noise changes. That's the changeover of power between the APU and the bleed air from the engines, which are now up to idle speed. We call the APU an engine, not a power plant or a unit, and in terms of form and function it would have similar DNA to a helicopter engine, or even a regional turboprop gas turbine engine, but the APU falls under the category of turboshaft engine. Shaft in the center of the engine brief the compressor and generator. If you want to deep dive the internal of the compressor and turbine, concentrate on the axial flow rotors of the turbine engine, and the centrifugal flow rotors of the compressor are in the AP system. Those are explanations of the AP. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.